In the past, mayor elections have had a lot of emphasis at the national level at the expense of the grassroots. What we mean here is that people are concentrating on electing the chair of Maendeleo ya Wanawake, instead of remembering to concentrate on the grassroots level, because those are the women who know the problems of our women at the grassroots. And those women are the supporters of those women and can bring all their problems, all their needs, all their aspirations to the national level. But the national chair may also know, but the people who know what it's the woman down there are the grassroots representatives. So we are concentrating on the elections of those women at the grassroots level.
Our membership should get ready, register, old members to renew their membership, new members to register as new members, and also those who are wishing to vie for a position to get ready and to buy their nominations.
We are preparing our women, our members, in good time so that they may be able to know that their requirements must be conformed and follow to the letters, to follow with the Constitution, because we start the elections from the ward level right to the county and right to the province and to the national.